Hello, once again, you are welcome to another class where we need to learn something new, something different. Today's class, we're going to solve a question on factorization, quadratic expression. So we have a question right here, m squared n squared plus 4mn minus 21. We are going to factorize the expression. So remember, in the last class, previous videos, we talked about the steps in factorizing an expression of this nature. We have m squared n squared plus 4mn minus 21. So remember, go to the first term, go to the last term, and find their products. So finding the product of this, you have m squared n squared times minus 21, and that will give you minus 21 m squared n squared together. So you go to step number 2, which is to bring out the middle term. So the middle term in the expression is plus 4mn. So we have the middle term, and then we have the product of terms from here. So that is the first and the second steps highlighted again. So what do we do with this now? We have minus 21 m squared n squared. I'm writing that on this side, and I'm writing plus 4mn on this side. So what do I do with this now? I will find terms, numbers in m and n that have the product of minus 21 and have the sum of plus 4. So I'm looking for factors of minus 21, and I'm looking for factors of 4 as well. So what I have here is minus 21. So I think about it. What if I try 7 and 3? 7 and 3, definitely when I multiply that together, it will give me 21. But we're looking at minus 21 here. So what do? I can put a negative in front of 3, so that when I do this, I have minus 21, which works for what I'm looking for. Then I have on the other side the same, but this time around I'm finding the sum, so that when I find the sum of 7 and plus 3, what am I going to get? Of course, that will give me plus 4. So it works. 7 times minus 3 is minus 21. 7 plus minus 3 on the other side is plus 4. So if I can guarantee that, then I can put, alright, 7, which is plus 7, don't forget, there's an invisible plus there, plus 7. Then, since it is expressed in m and n respectively, so I can have m and I can also have n. Then the other number is minus 3. So which is minus 3. I can also have an m for that, and I can also have an n for that. So the two numbers for both sides are plus 7mn and minus 3mn. So what I was supposed to do in the next line is to replace these two, replace the middle term, that's plus 4mn, by these two things we've got in these terms, 7mn and minus 3mn. So let's do that. So let's write the expression one more time. n squared minus 4mn minus 21. So replacing that, we have m squared n squared. So instead of writing this now, we are replacing by the first one, which is what? Which is plus 7mn. Then the other one, which is what? Minus 3mn. So that will give us minus 21 to complete that. So we can now factorize the expression, or pair them first before we factorize as usual. So we pair this along with this. So after pairing, what's the next thing? To factorize. In the first brackets, you will notice that letter m appear twice, letter n appear twice on both sides. So we factorize this by bringing out letter m and bringing out alphabet n. So here now we have what left in this bracket should be what? Should be m, and of course we have alphabet what? N. So m squared, you can see that here, m squared will give you this, and of course you have n times n will give you this as well. So that one is settled. Then you have what? Plus, what do you have left there? 7, definitely, because mn is already out here, so you have 7 left. Then you have the minus sign here, which I'll write. Then here the common factor, because 3 can divide itself, leaving you no remainder. 3 can divide itself, so 3 is our common factor, which I'll bring out. Then I'll open the brackets. Bracket have n left, so m n. Then remember what I said last part. Careful with this last part. You have minus and minus, and that will give me the plus I have here. Then 3 in 21 is 7. So you can see that what I have in the first bracket, I have in the second bracket. So I have what? mn plus 7, and of course I'll combine mn minus what? 3, which is the final answer to the expression, or the quadratic expression, m squared n squared plus 4mn minus 21. So anytime you're asked to factorize a very difficult but simple question like this, you just follow the steps in the previous videos once more. Factorize, simplify, and do your normal pairing and collection of like terms by grouping. So I believe you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Keep solving mathematics. Enjoy solving mathematics. Mathematics is simple. Mathematics is lovely. Have a nice time.